Massive guaranteed profits. Isn't that what you want? If so, listen carefully. This comes from my marketing domination program, which are my 100 greatest marketing secrets. This is number 9. So it just says, forget all about the complicated MBA crap. Getting rich in your own business is as simple as these 3 things. Number 1, you get a large enough number of people to, number 2, consistently give you a large enough amount of their money. And number 3, at a large enough profit margin per transaction. So just 3 things right there. Guaranteed massive profits. Now, I would add a few little things to that. I would add with the greatest efficiency because, you have to watch all of your, if your overhead is way too outrageously high, then it doesn't matter how much money you make. It's like a leaky bucket. So, there has to be some of that, and you have to get a large enough number of the right kind of people. But look, this is not rocket science. Russ von Holscher, the man who made my wife Eileen and I millions of dollars initially, when we were first getting started, he is always telling me, he plays poker. And he's kind of a semi-professional. He plays maybe, sometimes as few as 5 hours a week, sometimes as much as 15 hours a week. And he loves to play poker, and it's always been his dream to be full-time and all of that. But he plays with all of these people that have money. And he's always, while you're sitting around the poker table, you're kind of chit-chatting with your fellow players, and he's gotten to know some of these people. And he's always telling me, man, he meets some of the stupidest people who are millionaires and multimillionaires. And he's just been scratching his head. Like, oh my God, how can people that are so stupid be worth so many millions of dollars? Well, it's because business is not rocket science. There's nothing that complicated about this. So I just broke it down into 3 steps. Let me give you I teach a little more expanded version of that, which is not much. It's got 2 more steps. It's get enough people to consistently give you enough of their money, enough times, because repeat business is a big, huge factor in long-term success, for enough profit margin per transaction with the greatest efficiency. Look, it's not rocket science. And choose your market very, very, very carefully. Focus on your sales and marketing to keep the cash register ringing. And work with experts who have already gone where you want to go, who have already done what you want to do. Get some shortcut tips, tricks, and strategies. Just like Russ von Holscher was there for my wife Eileen and I when we first got started. There are consultants and coaches like myself who have been doing it for several decades, who are dedicated to helping you discover and develop your own shortcut methods that can take you from wherever you are to wherever you want to be. So if you're one of my clients, you're learning all of this right now, and I'm very grateful to have you as a client. If you're not one of my clients and you want to know more about how I can help you to get those shortcut tips, tricks, and strategies that have been proven to generate massive sums of money, just click on the link below. And I hope you'll just remember it's not rocket science. None of this is rocket science. It's simple, and we're here to help you. God bless. Hope this has helped. Bye for now.